Aquaman actress Amber Heard choked back tears as she testified that ex-husband Johnny Depp physically abused her, starting with slaps after she laughed at one of his tattoos and escalating to a cavity search of her body for cocaine. But some photos of her that recently emerged may as well send that teary confession into oblivion. Amber took the witness stand for the first time in a widely followed U.S. defamation case brought by Depp, saying they had a magical relationship until it turned violent. Going by what the witnesses have said so far, do you think Depp abused Amber, or is she just a bonafide clout chaser? Let's find out. The troubled SERP actress said that Depp's first physical outburst came after she asked what was written on one of his faded tattoos. She said he replied, "Wino," and she laughed, thinking it was a joke. "He slapped me across the face," Amber said. "I didn't know what was going on. I just stared at him." Depp, 58, testified earlier in the trial that he never hit his ex-wife and that she was the one who was the abuser in their relationship. And he may be right if the photos circulating online are anything to go by. On the night in 2016 that Amber contends Johnny Depp beat her, police officers called to the couple's residence say they saw no signs of bruises on her face. Witnesses who met with Drive Angry actress after a dispute with Depp, then her husband, testified in pre-recorded depositions shown during the trial in the high-profile defamation lawsuit brought by the Pirates of the Caribbean lead actor. As the marriage was ending, Amber took out a temporary restraining order against Depp on May 27, 2016. Her face appeared bruised during a court appearance, allegedly resulting from an altercation with Depp 6 days earlier on May 21st. But an officer who saw her that night had a different story. Ms. Heard refused any medical treatment and had no visible injuries, said Taylor Haddon, a Los Angeles Police Department officer, in the deposition shown to jurors. "There was no sign of struggle, and the witness that was there that I spoke with was uncooperative as well." The charge that Amber was abused that night is the linchpin of Depp's lawsuit. The Aquaman actress claimed Depp savagely injured her face by throwing her own iPhone at her from point-blank range as hard as he could, and then continued to beat her face. The heavily tattooed actor calls the claims an attention-seeking hoax. Officers responding to the domestic violence call said Amber didn't request that they make a report. Her face was red from crying but showed no signs of bruises. The officers gave the mother of one a card with their number so that she could call them back if she wished. Questioned by attorneys for both actors, Haddon said he didn't know then that Depp was involved. Asking if he recognized Amber, the officer replied, "I had no idea who she was." Another Los Angeles police officer, William Gatlin, along with his partner, also visited the penthouse residence in Los Angeles after the department received another call about a disturbance. Gatlin said he hadn't seen bruises either. Under cross-examination, the officers said they weren't sure whether Amber had covered bruises up with makeup. A front desk worker at the building where Depp and Amber lived also said he saw no bruises on the actress. "I always make eye contact with someone whom I'm talking to," said Alejandro Ramiro. He explained that he's not necessarily studying the person, but if I see something, I probably will remember it. Ramiro, who gave his deposition while apparently vaping or smoking inside a vehicle, said, "I'm just so stressed out because of this. I just don't want to deal with this anymore. I'm tired. I don't want to deal with this court case. Everybody's got problems." After Ramiro's deposition ended and the jury was sent off on break, Judge Penny Askrit remarked, "That was a first. I'm sorry. I've seen a lot of things, but I've never seen that." And those are not the only witnesses that never saw injuries or bruises on Amber's face after her alleged attack by Depp. Isaac Baruch, an artist who has known the Hollywood star for nearly 40 years and stayed as Depp's guest in the same Los Angeles penthouse complex, told the UK High Court that he had not seen any evidence of injury to Amber in May 2016 after the couple's final breakup. Baruch, who lived in a penthouse apartment next to the couple, said he saw the actress several times in the days after May 21st, and each time had a clear view of her face. He never noticed any injuries. Baruch said in a statement that he met Amber on May 22nd, and she told him that Depp hit her in the face and threw a phone at her. He then asked her where he had hit her, and she stretched her neck and pushed out the right side of her head for him to look at her right eye. "I literally was around 12 inches from her, inspecting her face, and I did not see a single mark or evidence of any marks, bruising, or swelling of any kind anywhere on her face. She also definitely didn't seem to be wearing any makeup at this time of day that could cover any marks or swelling," Baruch recounts. The following day, Baruch saw her again. Ms. Heard knocked on my door somewhere between late morning and early afternoon. Again, I saw no marks of any kind on either side of her face. There were no bruises, scratches, redness, dark spots, or swelling of any kind. The legal case, which has been streaming live on both Court TV and Law and Crime, has been a parade of sordid, disturbing details from their relationship, which ended in 2016 when Amber filed for divorce and obtained a domestic violence restraining order against Depp, accusing the actor of physically and verbally abusing her, allegations which Depp has denied. Nearly a month following its April 12th kickoff, and with weeks to go, closing arguments are expected to happen on May 27th. It'll be interesting to see how all of these end. Hopefully, justice will be served. We'll be bringing you all the new developments regarding this case in our upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of that.